Mastering MCQs. Tips and tricks to tackle multiple choice questions effectively. Have you ever found yourself second-guessing your choices on MCQs? Do you want to know the secret to confidently handling multiple choice questions? Are you ready to uncover the tricks that toppers use to conquer MCQs? If you have answered yes to all the 3 questions, then make sure you watch this video till the end. You can thank me later. Hello champions! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a crucial skill, cracking multiple choice questions or MCQs. If you've ever felt uncertain about facing these tricky questions, fear not. We're here to equip you with proven strategies and insider tips. So, let's jump right in. Before we delve into the strategies, let's understand what makes MCQs unique. These questions test not only your knowledge, but also your decision-making skills. Think of MCQs as a puzzle, each choice is a piece, and your task is to pick the right fit. But how do you navigate through the maze of options? Our first strategy is the elimination technique, the art of ruling out wrong choices. Imagine you're at a buffet. You eliminate dishes you dislike to narrow down your selection. Similarly, eliminate choices that don't align with your knowledge. Spot the clues, identify absurd answers, and increase your odds by eliminating the wrong ones. Next up, let's talk about narrowing down your options. Think of MCQs like finding your way on a map. You gradually narrow down your choices to reach your destination. Learn to recognize distractors, use keywords, and apply logical reasoning to zero in on the correct answer. Let's address the age-old question, when should you guess? Picture yourself at a crossroads. Sometimes taking a chance leads to unexpected rewards. In MCQs, guessing strategically can boost your chances. Discover when to guess, when to skip, and how to make educated guesses that increase your odds of scoring. Timing plays a crucial role in MCQ success. Let's explore the time management aspect. Imagine a race. You need to pace yourself to reach the finish line. Similarly, allocating time for each MCQ ensures you don't get stuck. Practice solving MCQs under timed conditions during your preparation. This helps you refine your strategy and build confidence. Lastly, let's discuss reviewing your choices and boosting your confidence. Think of a chef orchestrating a flawless meal preparation. Timing is everything for the chef. Similarly, reviewing your choices and trusting your instincts is vital for MCQs. Building confidence in MCQ-based exams is a gradual process. Practice, preparation, and a positive mindset play pivotal roles. Congratulations! You've just been equipped with the insider strategies to conquer MCQs like a pro. Practice these techniques, keep sharpening your skills, and watch your confidence soar. Remember, mastering MCQs is about more than just picking answers, it's about honing your decision-making prowess. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. To further enhance your exam preparation journey, visit iLearnHQ.com. Your dreams are within reach. Take the first step towards a brighter future and enroll today. See you in the inside.